Back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made these nice good donuts, mini donuts, chocolate donuts with glaze on it. Anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, I want to take you to the steps. What you're going to need for this, you want 2 and 2/3 cups of flour, all-purpose. Then you want some vanilla extract, banana extract, baking soda, baking powder, some nutmeg, and some yeah, this is salt, this is baking soda. Anyways, here's some butter, egg, chocolate chips, and brown and white sugar, and a little bit of canola oil. Anyways, we're gonna get started on this. You need to start out with some butter, 1/4 cups of butter. Now we're going to need some sugar. This is about a 1/2 cup of sugar. One-third cups of brown sugar. Okay, we're going to whisk this all together right here. A little bit of lighting. Anyways, we're going to whisk this up a little bit. And it helps to have your butter room temperature. Mine wasn't, but that's okay. I'll show you what helps that. We're going to start with some eggs. Okay, we're going to need a little bit of vanilla extract, about one tablespoon vanilla extract, followed by 1 tablespoon of banana extract. Okay, we're going to whisk that together. Okay, now we are going to need 1/4 cup of canola oil, followed by some nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start putting in our flour. We need 2 cups and 1/3 cup, or 2 cups and 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, we need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of our baking soda, our baking powder. Anyways, we're going to combine this together. Okay, we're going to add in a cup of milk, okay, and last but not least, we're going to put in our chocolate chips, and then we're going to combine all that together. Okay, that should be about good enough. What I do is I'm going to take a cookie cutter and I'm going to try to put in much as I can on each one of them on the chocolate glazed part. So the first thing we're going to want is we're going to start off with the powdered sugar. You want 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, And then you want 1.5 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Then on top of that, you want 1/4 cup of milk. And then you're going to take a small whisk or whatever you have and just whisk this very good until it combines together. Okay, there it is. We're got the glaze all done. All of them donuts right there. Good Lord, these things are beautiful. Anyways, we'll do a taste test on this and right here. Take a look at that. Oh my God, that's so delicious. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.